Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to decode one of the most popular treatments out there, the signature facial. I mean, what's really going on with your skin during that blissful hour? And what's the actual science behind that incredible glow you walk out with? Okay, let's get right into it. First, let me ask you something. Does your skin ever just feel off? You know, maybe it's looking a little dull from all that screen time, or it's stressed out, or just totally unpredictable from one day to the next. If you've ever felt like your skin is sending out a major SOS, trust me, you are not the only one.
In this quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head. It describes someone whose skin was a total combo nightmare. And like so many of us have done, right? She just threw every single trending product at it, hoping for a miracle. And it's that endless cycle of trial and error that's so frustrating and honestly just kind of defeating.
So if a cabinet full of serums isn't the magic bullet, then what is? Well, it turns out the answer might be a professional all-in-one skin reset. And that's exactly what a signature facial is. You got to think of it less like simple pampering and more like a targeted, high-intensity workout for your skin. It's this multitasking powerhouse that does it all: cleansing, exfoliating, hydrating, treating in one single, super-focused session. Okay, so what's the big deal? Why is it called signature? Well, for one, it is not a one-size-fits-all thing. It's totally personalized to you by a professional who actually knows skin. It combines real science with that amazing stress-melting spa feeling, so you get the best of both worlds. Results you can see right away and benefits that just keep building over time.
But how can one treatment do so much? I promise you it's not magic. It's science, and it works on your skin from the outside in. So let's peel back the layers, literally, and see what's happening.
First up, we've got the top layer, the epidermis. This is the part you see and touch every day. A facial starts by basically, well, taking out the trash. The deep cleansing and professional exfoliation get rid of all that built-up grime and dead skin cells that make you look dull. Just that one step instantly uncovers the fresher, brighter skin that's been hiding underneath. It's a total clean slate.
All right, now let's go a little deeper, down to the dermis. Think of this as your skin's command center. It's where all the important stuff like collagen and elastin live. Now, that massage part of the facial, it feels great, yeah, but it's also super strategic. It gets your circulation going, which is kind of like a super fast delivery service, rushing oxygen and nutrients right to your skin cells. It wakes everything up and helps those powerful serums get way down deep where they can do the most good.
But here's the kicker. This is the benefit you feel, but you can't see. That deep relaxation is more than just a nice bonus. It's a biological trigger. It actually helps lower your stress hormones, like cortisol. And we all know high cortisol can lead to breakouts and inflammation. So, by just relaxing, you are literally telling your body, okay, it's safe, time to heal. You're putting your skin in the perfect state to repair itself from the inside out. It's incredible.
I just love this analogy because it's so perfect. A facial is like a big drink of water for your skin. All those steps come together to just drench every single layer in hydration and bring it back to life. It's simple, but it's so true.
And that drink of water is usually a supercharged cocktail of amazing ingredients. We're talking powerhouse stuff like vitamin C for brightening, hyaluronic acid for that deep, plump hydration, peptides to keep things firm, and niacinamide to calm everything down. And because your skin has been perfectly prepped, it can soak up all this goodness way more effectively than your products at home ever could.
Okay, the science is cool, right? But what's it actually like when you're in the room? Let's walk through the whole journey, step by step, so there are no surprises.
So first things first, it all starts with a chat, a consultation, so your esthetician knows exactly what your skin needs. Then comes the serious prep work, a really thorough double cleanse, followed by exfoliation to get rid of any dullness. If you need it, this is also when they'll do safe, professional extractions. Then comes the really good stuff, the massage to get the blood flowing, a custom mask that's packed with nutrients, and then they'll layer on all those targeted serums. And finally, the most important step, protection. You're not leaving without moisturizer and some serious sunscreen to shield your brand new skin. See, every step just builds on the one before it.
All right, so you've had the facial, you're walking out of there feeling like $1,000,000, your skin is glowing. So, now what? The real goal is to make that amazing feeling last. Let's talk about how to keep that glow going long after you've left. Well, the good news is you get results right away. You'll walk out with a dewy, hydrated, super smooth skin. Then, a few days later, you'll notice your makeup is just gliding on like a dream. But the real transformation, the grand prize, happens over the long term. If you get them regularly, you'll see a huge improvement in your skin's texture, its tone, its overall health.
So what does regularly even mean? Well, the sweet spot, the magic number, is about every 4 to 6 weeks. And there's a reason for that. It lines up perfectly with your skin's natural cell turnover cycle. It just helps you maintain all that progress and keep your skin in its happy place.
And of course, you've got to protect your investment, right? Post-facial care is so important. The rules are pretty simple. You absolutely do want to be diligent with sunscreen and use really gentle products. But you don't want to hit the gym or use any harsh scrubs for at least a day. Think of it like this. Your skin just had a major workout, and now it needs some time to rest and recover.
So really, this all boils down to one simple question. Getting a facial isn't just a luxury, it's not just an indulgence, it's a strategic investment in the health of your body's largest organ. It's giving your skin the expert maintenance it needs to really thrive. So the question to ask yourself is your skin getting the care it truly deserves? It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.